This is the EVP2 trading system update for the NinjaTrader platform. I want to take you from start to finish on how to set this up. First of all, you want to create a chart, so you want to make sure that the continuous contract for the Euro currency futures is in here. So you want to go to Tools, Instrument Manager like I just did, and you can see it's already in the left hand side for me. If you don't have it, you go over here under name and you type in 6E. You click search and there it is. You click on it. You choose this drop down menu and you select the pound pound dash pound pound, which will give you the continuous contract, and you select add the instrument to your instrument list. But if you've already have it, you'll get a message like I have. So I already have it in my left hand side. That should add it to yours. Then you can close that and you can go over here to File, New, Chart, and you can create the contract here. You want to double click it so it goes down here in this window, and then you can format it. I have a custom template that I use for mine with a black background, and I also want to use the 5-minute chart. We want to use a custom range. Go back as far as you can. We say 2005 January 1 2005 to see how far back we can go. I want to take this and make sure it's set up to the default 24/7, and we click OK, and I have a dual monitor here. It went to my other window, and we wait for this to load. I'm going to pause the video while this is loading. Alright, the chart took a few minutes to load, so the template did not load. I normally have a black background that I like to use. The template did not load, so either way, the template was just for viewing. You can do it with a candlestick chart, or you can customize it any way you want. I'm going to add this strategy now, so I'm going to right click. I'm going to go to strategies. These are some of my strategies. All of them start with cap, and we're looking at cap Euro EVP2. We need to double click on this. We're going to change this. We've modified it to start the session at 8:45 in the morning. So we type in 8:45. We change this short session time to exit at noon Central, or actually Eastern time. And so you've got the number of contracts here is the input. So you can start with one or trade the number of contracts that you want. Start time and stop time are the entry, the time that the strategy will enter between 8:45 and 11 o'clock a.m. and these are based on Eastern Standard Time. So if your computer is different, you'll need to adjust this. It exits long trades at 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. It exits short trades at noon Eastern Standard Time. And the stop loss amount per contract is $300. And we have the max daily entries of 30. That's just a large number that we added on this. Initially, this strategy did not have a limitation on that. So if you wanted to limit it to 1 or 2 or 3, normally this doesn't trade any more than 5 or 6 times a month, or maybe 8 times a month. And on any given day, I've seen maybe 3 or 4 trades at the most. But it's a very selective strategy, so it doesn't trade a lot, and it definitely does not trade 30 times a day. And then you need to enable it to true, and then you apply this, and you click OK here. And then you click close, and you can see we're going to maximize this window. You can see the trade today, 143.63, exited at 144.32. Look at the strategy performance report, a historical view of what's going on. You get $48,000. You get I like to look at this in currency, so I quickly look at that. I look at the average trade profit of 61.84. I like to look at the graph. We had a good, this only went back to November of 2005, so you get a nice move up here. And then kind of a choppy period from 2007 to 2009. And then since 2009, a strong move up again. And this is the original strategy that I have. I've opened up some of the inputs like the stop loss, the start and stop time. You can see, what it's done on an annual basis here. 2005, 2006. This is without slippage and commission. You can see the average profit per trade. Let's see, each year, large in 2008. It's kind of gone back up in 2011. We've got over $100 average profit per trade in 2011. So this strategy is done very well. It's got a very good back test, and it's based on a strategy that I've had around for a long time. It's based on a strategy that I've had for over 10 years, and it trades 2 hours and 15 minutes in the morning. 8:45 to 11 are the entries, and 8:45 a lot of economic news is released at 8:30, so 15 minutes later we can start taking trades in this system. And so we get a little bit better performance when we move the window from 9 to 11 down to 8:45 and get in a little bit earlier. But our original pattern for this strategy is the same, and so there hasn't been any modifications to the actual pattern, but just the window in which it operates, the time frame down to 5 minutes instead of 15 minutes. So really good performance. If you want a free trial, click on the link below, or fill out the form below, and send us your machine ID, and we will send you 10-day free trial. You can download the files and then wait for us to send you an email that says that it's been enabled for a free trial, so you can have this for 10 days, and you can reference this video on how to set this up. So let me know if you have any questions.